everyone. This is Black Pearl 81, and I'm back with a quick update regarding my sister locks. Today marks the 1 week since I've had my sister locks installed, and I'm telling y'all, I am feeling great. I am feeling so good right now. I have not experienced some of the common itchiness or sore scalp that a lot of the newbies talk about. Since having her installation, my hair has been in a very cooperative state so far. My hair has been in a very cooperative state. Every day, if I feel like my hair needs to be refreshed or it's feeling kind of stiff, after I take off my bonnet, I just spritz it with some of my rose water. And in this bottle here, I have some castor oil, a little bit of castor oil, and some sweet almond oil. I just put like a little drop in my hands, like so. Rub it in my hands, and just take it through my hair. And I really like to focus on now on my ends that are my curly ends, the ones that my ends that are left out, because I did experience a little bit of shedding if I just rub my hands through it. I might see a strand of hair that may come off. But since I did color my hair previous for my installation, I'm assuming that's to be expected. But no major shedding, just a little bit, a strand of hair here and there. But I do like to use my oil if I feel like, my ends need a little bit of attention. But not a whole lot of oil, just a dab bit. I haven't been putting any oil on my scalp. I'm letting the natural oils from my body produce in my scalp. When I sweat or when I work out, I just want to have my natural oils, produce enough to keep my scalp moisturized. Like I said, I don't wear anything at night. I don't do any braiding at night or twisting. When I tell you I got this hairstyle, so I would not have to be twisting, braiding, braid outs. I'm not doing any of that right now in my early stages. I'm just literally putting my bonnet on and going to sleep at night. And that has been a lifesaver. That has been a lifesaver, honey. A lifesaver. Now, I have been receiving a lot of compliments from some ladies in my community. I went to the mall the other day, and I'm sitting just minding my own business, but these sister locks just know how to talk to people. And I had some older ladies ask me about, how long it took me to get it done, and they're actually looking into sister locks, and they ask me some questions. And if you're not used to having compliments on your hair, sister locks is not for you. Because it draws so much attention, more attention than any other style that you can have. The updos, the braids, the weave, the wigs. The sister locks are different, and it's like, you know, driving a brand new car and not too many people have it. That's what it feels like to have sister locks. Okay, you're driving a brand new car that just came off the lot, and not everybody has it yet. So if you're not used to compliments, sister locks are not for you. So, but it's also given me, having my sister locks this week, 1 week into my journey, has given me the opportunity to focus on other things in my life that I've been putting on the back burner. One of those things is my healthy weight journey, and I've really put more in time to that. I'm really focusing on my meal prepping now and my exercising routine, and not having to spend as much time like, okay, if I go out running, then my hair is going to get frizzy. Am I going to wear a braid out? Am I going to twist it up? I have none of those issues to focus on no more, and that by itself has been heaven sent. You can't buy back that time. You can't get those times when you sit in the mirror doing a braid out for 2 hours, braiding your hair down, twisting your hair, and then you unravel it, and it rains on you, and then you're back to having your hair all over your head again. You can't buy back that time. You really can't. So I like it so far because it's giving my time back. It's giving my time back. It's giving my freedom that I miss so much. And also I'm able to help build some more relationships. And my business that I'm starting up, my business adventure, building more relationships, and just focus on helping other people become healthy as well. So that's it. Like I said, nothing has changed. I want you all to kind of look. Now my hair is considered a medium density. You would call this medium density. meaning that, you know, my hair is not full, but you know, in time, I know it is gonna thicken up and really take off. So here's my scalp. You know, I got a little bitty, just a little bit of frizzing, maybe a little bit coming on down through the lock itself, but nothing major yet within this first week. I think once I have my first wash day, I will experience a little bit more, but I don't plan on doing another wash, my first wash, until another week from now. So at my 2 week mark. So I will come on and kind of show you all again at that time how my hair turned out for wash day. But I already scheduled my first 4 week appointment, which is exactly a month from my install date. That'll be like around August 22nd. I have my first retie. But like I said, I'm loving my hair so far. I'm loving the freedom. You know, I can put my hair in a ponytail, do whatever I want. But just lately, I just been wearing my little side part and just wearing it to the right. That's my signature style for right now. So, but yeah, no hair issues. I'm loving it. Thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my videos so you can get more content from me. And I look forward to you all following my journey. Bye-bye.